Mysteries of Africa, changing dreams into memories. A family vacation like this is one you'll be talking about for years to come. Mysteries of Africa welcomes you to Zimbabwe. Welcome to our home. Meet our friendly staff. Let us whisk you away to your chosen accommodation. Your first game drive begins on your way to camp. You will be mesmerized by Africa's wildlife. From the moment you arrive at your chosen accommodation, the staff will do all it takes to make you feel at home. Enjoy your drinks, spend time with family, and look out and see dozens of different species surrounding the waterhole right next to camp. It doesn't get better than this. Settle in, relax. This is home. What a treat to stay at Verney's camp in the famous Hwange National Park. Let's go on a game drive. Allow us to introduce you to some of the world's most fascinating wildlife. The best way to spend time in Hwange National Park is by going out on game drives. The wildlife you will encounter here is exceptional. Bring your camera along and harmonize with nature. Come up and get close. A great learning experience for all. Hwange National Park is half the size of Belgium. That's how much area there is to cover. So get up early to seize the day. With the help of a professional guide, you and your family can get close to wildlife that you've only seen in pictures before. This really is an unforgettable experience. Everything from lions to cheetahs to plains game to exotic birds is right on your doorstep. After a long game drive, what better way to relax than sit back and enjoy the swimming pool right at camp? Not only will you see all the wildlife you've ever dreamed of getting close to, but you'll also drive through some breathtaking nature. Let's combine this with great, authentic food. This national park is also home to some of the most incredible sunsets, so get your camera ready. It's close family moments like this that you'll remember for the rest of your life. Mysteries of Africa, changing dreams into memories.
Hwange National Park is a truly magical place.